Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Breaded chicken thighs. They are very tasty and very delicious. They are so easy to make. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Today, I'm going to share with you breaded chicken thighs. Prior to serving, add some fresh lemon juice. This is super juicy and super delicious. So let me share with you how to make it delicious chicken thighs. Breaded chicken thighs. I have a boneless, skinless chicken thighs washed with the cold water. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I always list my ingredient list in the description, so please check it out. Breadcrumb, 3 eggs, black pepper, salt, ginger, garlic powder, half teaspoon each, and 1 teaspoon parsley flake. We're going to use meat tenderizer, half cup all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch, along with salt, black pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, half teaspoon each, parsley flakes, so it will be 1 teaspoon. These spices we're going to add into all-purpose flour and cornstarch. With the help of whisk, combine it. Once it's nicely combined, set it aside. Now we're going to get another bowl. We'll break open the egg. Along with spices. So now we're going to mix it well. Once the egg is nicely beaten, set it aside. Get a cutting board, and I'm going to use the plastic wrap. Place it on the cutting board, just like this. Place the chicken thighs just like this. Place the plastic wrap on top of it just like this. Get a meat tenderizer and we're going to hammer it just like this. So this is how the chicken thighs will look. They get nicely flattened out. So I'll finish up doing the same with all the chicken thighs. So this is the last batch. So I'll place it in the bowl. And now we're going to move on to the next step. After tenderizing the chicken thighs, the next step will be the coating. We're going to mix it one more time. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, and all the spices are nicely combined. So spread it evenly, just like this. Get a chicken thigh. We're going to give it like egg bath. Any extra egg. Now we're going to place it in the flour coating, and we're going to turn it over. We have to do the one quick coating like this. So make sure that it's nicely coated. I have another plate. I'll place it right here. Now we're going to do the same thing. Same process. Place the chicken thighs. Give a good egg wash. Just like this. Then take it out. And place it into the all-purpose flour. So that's going to be the coating. So as you see, it's nicely coated. Place it in separate plate. So I'll show you one more and I will finish up the same way. Just making sure that you take out all the extra egg, shake it well. So prior to adding, make sure that move around and spread it evenly. Once it's spread out, then we're going to place it, the chicken thighs, and we're going to do the coating. So it's a good idea, use a pair of tongs, and that helps really well. You can do it by hand also. So as you see, it's nicely coated. So now we're going to place in the plate. So I'll finish up doing the same process. The chicken thighs are nicely coated, and this is the last batch. I've beaten 3 more eggs. No spices are added. I use the same bowl, that's why you're seeing parsley flake. Before we do this step, first we're going to start the gas. Start burner. Get a fry pan. When I'm going to be pan frying, I'm going to use a screen splatter. This is a really good idea to use it. So anytime it sprays out, it's not going to make a mess on your countertop. So we're going to use vegetable oil. So we're going to add vegetable oil so that its bottom is nicely coated. This is non-stick pan. Once it's nicely coated, this is all we need. So we're going to let it heat up, and now we're going to do the coating. So get the chicken thigh, and we're going to dip it, and we're going to make sure that shake any extra egg, then place it in breadcrumb. So this is going to be our nice coating. Perfect. Just one time on this side and one time that side. Look at this, beautiful. Get another one and I'll show it to you, and we're going to keep repeating the same. Take out any extra egg and place it on top of it, the breadcrumb. Make sure that the breadcrumb is nicely coated, and we'll take it out and put it in plate. As you've seen, it's nicely coated, nicely breaded chicken thighs. We'll take this one to pan, and I'll take the screen splatter off. So now we'll place the chicken thighs just like this, and we're going to place it. The oil is there, and on a medium gas we're going to cook it. So if you have a bigger fry pan, you can put more. 4 at a time, we're going to do it. So we're going to let it cook on medium gas, and cover with the screen splatter so it won't spray out. On medium gas, cooking for 3 minutes. Now we're going to turn these over. So as we cooking on a medium gas, you can see it's a nice texture. This is the breadcrumb. You don't want to cook on high gas, then it will burn out. Now bring your gas to medium low. And now we need to cook 5 minutes on this side. The gas is medium low. On medium low gas, cooking for 5 minutes, I'll open it. And we're going to turn it over. Look at this. Perfect. On medium low gas, you won't get burned. So now I'll give 3 minutes on this side. Another 3 minutes. And now we're going to turn these over, and now we're going to cook only 2 minutes. This is very nicely done. After turning it over, I'll put the screen splatter again. We'll cook 2 more minutes. Another 2 minutes. Chicken thighs are nicely cooked. They are fully done. So as you can see, it's fully done. So depending on your gas burner, so within 10 to 15 minutes, breaded chicken thighs are all done. So I'm going to take it out and I'll share with you. And we're going to put the next batch. I'll place the next batch. I'll keep continuing cooking the chicken thighs the same way. The first 3 minutes on this side, then 5 minutes on the other side, then 3 minutes and 2 minutes, we all done. So you've seen it, it's so easy to make. I have another batch ready. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.